In this video, I'm breaking down how that water-cement ratio in concrete can totally change the game for your project's strength and durability without getting too technical. Alright, so here's the thing about water-cement ratio. It's all about how much water you mix with your cement. Too much water? Your concrete ends up weak and super porous, which means it soaks up water easy and cracks over time. On the flip side, if you don't add enough water, the mix gets tough to work with, and you might not get that smooth finish or proper bonding you want. A good rule of thumb is to keep the water just enough to hydrate the cement, but not drown it, so your concrete cures right. Make sure you measure carefully because eyeballing it can lead to inconsistent results. Also, adding water little by little while mixing helps you control the consistency way better than dumping it all at once. If you're using ready-mix concrete or pre-packaged bags, check the instructions for the suggested water amount and stick close to that. Those guidelines are there for a reason. Remember, curing is just as important as mixing, so keep your slab moist for a few days to get that strength locked in. One of the biggest headaches with improper water-cement ratio is reduced compressive strength, which basically means your concrete won't hold up under pressure like it should. Another common issue is increased permeability. Too much water creates tiny channels in the mix that let moisture sneak in, causing damage like rusting rebar or freeze-thaw cracks. And lastly, uneven curing can happen when the mix isn't right, leading to surface cracks and a rough finish that looks amateur. The fix? Stick to recommended ratios, measure water precisely, and keep your curing routine solid with proper moisture control. BigHomeProjects.com is a killer resource if you're looking to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess up your concrete job. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great spot to find new work and legit clients who value quality craftsmanship.